Hi, I'm Rie, and this is my recipe for animal boiled egg. So my mom used to make me rabbit-shaped boiled egg when I was little. When I started working for Tasty Japan, I wanted to recreate, so I asked my mom how she made it and she sent me a picture, but it was very short and simple, so I made it 4 different ways. And there is a term for Q bento called karaben, which is like character bento. So my mom used to make me bento throughout my high school days. I think Japanese mom likes make bento really cute so kids enjoy more to eat. So the sesame seeds and carrot I added are not for the taste. They are just for decoration. It's also a trick, make food cute and kids eat their not favorite foods, but foods that are important for them to eat. So the hedgehog, you can also use knife, but I use a straw because that can be less intimidating. This is one of the very first video I made. I think this has been done for a long time because when I made this video, my dad also told me his mother also used to make this for him. It may seem like a lot of work to just alter something that will be the same food, but I think it's worth it. It's really just cutting egg into cute animals. So I tested a bunch of different animals using same technique, and I wanted to make a variety of animals, not just rabbits. The reason I used hard-boiled egg is just because my mom used to make this way, but you don't need to use hard-boiled egg. Just use anything available in your country and make it cute. Be creative. Cute and kawaii animals is a universal language, so I think kids all over the world would appreciate having this in their lunches. It seems like audience in the US and also international audience really enjoyed this video because this was translated to different pages like Brazilians, Germans, French, and Latin America page on Tasty. They all seems to like it a lot, and egg is available in any countries. I really appreciate my mom make effort to make my lunch very cute, and I think cute is universal and food is also universal. I think all the kids around the world enjoy cuteness in their lunchbox. I know it's time consuming, but it's really fun and cute. Just give a try once in a while. Make it cute. Thank you all for watching this again, and this is my last video. Just kidding, this is just the last video we are shooting today. Well, be sure to send your all animal creation to my Instagram. My handle is the Dessert Snob. I want to see your animal eggs and other stuff. Okay, I see you all later. Well, let's do one more time, like the ending.